Tech thrill seekers, buckle up. AMD's Q2 2025 earnings, unleashed August 5th, 2025, are a wild ride. This zippy text-only script crams in all the must-know financials, segment sizzle, and investor swagger with electrifying energy. Let's burn rubber. Kaboom! AMD smashed it with $7.69 billion in revenue, skyrocketing 32% from $5.83 billion last year, blowing past Wall Street's $7.43 billion bet. EPYC and Ryzen chips lit up the track. Profit time, let's rev it up. GAAP gross margin hit 40%, non-GAAP 43%, both down 10 points from an $800 million hit tied to U.S. export bans on MI350 GPUs. Strip that out, and non-GAAP margin would have blazed at 54%. GAAP operating income crashed to a $134 million loss from the export hit. Non-GAAP operating income roared at $897 million, down 29% from $1.26 billion. Net income, rocket fuel. GAAP net income blasted to $872 million, up from $265 million. Non-GAAP net income hit $781 million, down 31% year over year. Earnings, GAAP EPS zoomed to 54 cents from 16 cents. Non-GAAP EPS screamed in at 48 cents, down 30% from 69 cents, nailing expectations. Cash flow's pure nitro. AMD pumped out over $1 billion in free cash flow, tearing through trade roadblocks. Segment showdown. Data center roared with $3.2 billion, up 14%, powered by EPYC and GPUs, despite a $1.5 billion revenue dent from export curbs through 2025. Client and gaming, total inferno. Revenue exploded to $3.6 billion, up 69%, with Ryzen and console chips on fire. Gaming alone scorched $1.1 billion, up 73%, smoking $784 million estimates. Embedded, chilling at approximately $823 million, down 3% based on Q1, with selling still warming up. Q3 is a scorcher. AMD forecasts $8.7 billion revenue, plus or minus $300 million, up 28%, topping $8.37 billion estimates. Non-GAAP gross margin hits 54%, with MI350 GPUs dropping late 2025, packing 4 times AI horsepower. Wall Street's vibe? Analysts are hyped. UBS aims for $210 with 6 buy ratings out of 10. Investor playbook. Long-term speedsters, snag dips, AMD's AI GPUs and EPYC are turbocharged. Cautious drivers, I export risks, and NVIDIA's lead. P/E, approximately 127 is steep. Check ir.amd.com before flooring it. Finish line. Q2 delivered $7.69 billion revenue, plus 32%. Data center, $3.2 billion, plus 14%. Client gaming, $3.6 billion, plus 69%, with margins. GAAP 40%, non-GAAP 43%, and EPS